Wow, it's cold outside. But you know what? Edmonton is beautiful in the winter as well as the summertime. And what I love is these beautiful homes on the south side. Now, if I was gonna buy a home, what kind of home would I buy? Maybe a cul-de-sac, something safe for the kids to play in, something modern, something with a big backyard, lots of natural lighting. There's so many things that I would like in a home, but I think I found it. Welcome to 4521 Alwood Way. You're really gonna love this property. There's just so many things that make it very particular, very unique for the Edmonton market. On the one hand, we have over 2,000 square feet. It's 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom. That's right, 4 bathrooms. The basement's fully finished with a bar, as well as we have a water softener, hot tub, gazebo, corner lot, cul-de-sac, and the list just keeps going on. The only thing I can really tell you is this is a home you have to see in person to really appreciate. Come on, let's see the rest of it together. These French doors lead you to the upstairs den. Come take a look at this place. Here we have 7 speakers integrated into the ceilings. This is the perfect space for the kids to play in, a home office, or just to entertain when you want to relax at the end of the day. I love the French doors, I love the privacy that it adds, and I love the natural lighting that fills this area. Over here, right behind me, we have our top floor laundry. It's great because it allows you to come in and out without taking laundry all the way from the basement to the top floor. We have our linen closet over here, bedroom number 2, bathroom number 2, and behind me is the 3rd bedroom that's on the top floor. Welcome to the basement. This is actually a very usable, fun space because it is a former show home as a place to entertain and be in. We have kind of like another den/entertainment area in the basement. They've put this beautiful games area just over here. Creme de la creme of this home is this beautiful bar space. And not just the bar with a working sink, by the way, but we also have a cellar. I'm David Demian, RE/MAX real estate agent here in Edmonton, Alberta. This home showcases luxury and modern living with thoughtful details throughout and upgrades. Don't miss your chance to call this one yours.